See ya. Bye.
Go, finish, let's go! Woo!
We're going away.
Wow.
I know, I almost fell. Hi, Sam.
Hi.
Are you excited to go away?
Yes.
Where are we going?
Going to Philippines.
The homeland. Kamusta ka? Okay lang. Maganda girl over here.
So sweet.
Wow. Pa-cute.
Stop.
Pa-cute, Samantha. You're my best friend. You a real bed. Wow. Philippines. Viva the Philippines. Yeah.
I fall. Here, you want me to grab it?
Call for me.
Because I haven't on Shishwap light.
Lots of leg room. Lots of leg room. Blessed. Alright, Samantha, we're going.
Hi.
We're checking out Narita today.
Just a little bit. We're gonna go. Brad's taking me shopping.
Yeah, we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna eat a lot of food too.
Yeah.
Let's eat it.
Lots of spam musubi.
Oh yeah. Welcome to the Narita walking tour. We're going to explore the beautiful sights of Narita Mall today. Yum, yum. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah.
Food always.
Food. Love it.
You're like not even recording.
Yay. See ya. Bye. Okay, Samantha, you're on.
Hey.
How you feeling?
I'm tired.
I know. You want to just go home and sleep? We're at a Starbucks right now. Beautiful artwork.
Matcha lattes
Matcha
are better
latte,
here.
the authentic ones. And then they put iced Americanos in these different types of cups. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. So do you like Japan so far?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I'm excited to come back.
Yeah, I think we're gonna move here.
I don't know about that.
Well, the first couple days were good, and then
We'd have to learn the language first.
yeah. So the first couple days were good, and we're gonna go to the Philippines.
Philippines, the homeland.
Yeah, Manila.
So this time tomorrow we'll be landing
And the
there.
Philippines, yeah. Okay, cool.
Cool.
See ya.
Bye, Jollibee.
I'm gonna move here.
Tell them about about the friend you made at the gym.
Yeah, I made a friend with an older lady, and she was very nice. And she's just like, "Oh, you're going to the fitness?" And I'm just like, "Yeah, I'm going to run." Just like, wow, we're the same person. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. We have the same energy. I like that. We're gonna go eat some sushi soon. Maybe if Sam feels okay. But we're gonna go back to the hotel so Sam can sleep, and then yeah.
Off to the Philippines tomorrow.
And then Philippines tomorrow.
We gotta pack. We gotta
Not
clean
really.
up our
Not really.
Well, we gotta make sure our
Very-
stuff is clean,
In our
right?
luggage.
Yeah. Because we opened it. I took a bunch of stuff out, so I gotta make sure.
2 seconds. Easy. Easy clap. We'll see y'all in the Philippines. Peace out. Samantha, we're going to the Philippines now, my dog. How you feel? You excited?
Good. I'm tired.
Go back home?
Yes.
Kamusta ka? Okay lang. Salamat po. Because she's an older lady. My old gal.
Don't do that.
Mic check 1 2 1 2.